Okay, we're going to get a bit serious now. This is another new one, and then we'll do ones that you might know. This one's called Another Day. It was called Love Yourself, but then we thought we better not try and
upset Justin Bieber.
That's the one. Desperation and despair, clutching around at any cost to catch the love you know you've lost. And now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. Took me by the reins, you helped manipulate this brain till the coldness and the taking nearly made me go insane. And I cannot and I will not be the cost of victory. Lift you up if I was strong enough, if I didn't care for me. Now I see it's crystal clear. If I hadn't seen the light, you'd have made me disappear. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. Trust yourself before you can trust anybody else. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody. To never feel alone. Take the love you feel and give it back to those you know. You pass you up for aggression as you gently lose your grip as you do all the load. As I gently take a sip, just always happen. Desperation and despair, clutching around at any cost. You know, catch the love you know you've lost. And now it's here, a change of mind. Keep looking at the light, let the shadows fall behind. Here comes another day, another chance for you to find your way. Take this opportunity, this turning point to prove you can be brave. You got to love yourself before you can love anybody else. You got to trust yourself before you can trust anybody else.